If you've been dealing with dirty, waxy ears, you are going to love this ear removal kit I was just gifted. Now, I have already used the ear cleaner in the past and I know how well it works, and I'm really excited to test out the ear camera, as I've always wanted to know what it looks like in my ear canal and how well this is actually working. So in this video, I am going to fully put this product to the test. Let's go. Now, when you take it out of the box, this is what you'll see. This is your ear cleaner, your ear irrigation tool. And how this works is pretty cool. It has two sections to this main bottom here. One you're going to fill up with warm water, and the other one is where it's going to collect all the dirty water as it sprays water out of this and then has it drain down back into the tank. So you'll just always want to make sure that these suction pipes go into the clean side, and it makes it very clear which side is clean and which side it calls sewage. I get such a kick out of the fact that they call it sewage. But anyway, all you do is put this back on. It has a lock and an unlock, so you'll just be sure to lock it into place and it's ready to go. On this, you have a USB-C charging port. You have your spray button, which you'll hold down to spray. And then you can choose from soft, normal, strong, or pulse for how far this sprays. It really sprays. I have tested this outdoors and it goes a good 6 feet or more. It has a lot of power to it. Now, this top piece right here actually comes off. You might not think it does, but it does. It's just this little silicone piece. So you can take that off and clean it from time to time. And you can see that this is the sprayer and there's the drain. And all you'll really want to do is get this all the way on your ear. Make sure it's fully connected to your face so the water drains all the way down this drain. Now, I have not had the best success with that. I usually still have a little bit of it drip on my shoulder, just the water, but I'm working on it. So I often take this in the shower with me, and you get 4 of these silicone nubs. They're officially called irrigation tips. They're all the same. So the only reason you have 4 is these probably wear down over time, or if you want to sanitize them. I would admit that I lost the ones that came with my first one of these. So maybe I should hold on to these. And they really do go on very easily. This also comes with Q-tips. It does seem a little ironic that you get Q-tips when the whole goal here is to not do anything unsafe to your ear, but these Q-tips really are for cleaning the outside if any of the irrigated water that's dirty has collected in the outer part of your ear. So just keep this in mind. These Q-tips are only for cleaning outside your eardrum. And then finally, you get a USB-C to USB-A cord to plug this in. Now, this is fantastic, and I know you will love this, as it has definitely done a great job cleaning my ears, and I am going to show you how this works in a moment. But this is what I'm really excited about, as this is new to me. This is their ear cleaning camera, and this is super cool because you get the camera stick itself, which you just turn on, and then it lights up. So there's a little flashlight at the end where the camera is, and then this is a little silicone nub that you can put in there and potentially scoop things out. Just be really careful with this. And then to turn off, you just hold to turn off. It does come with a USB-C to USB-A cord as well, and the port for charging is on the bottom. And then it comes with a variety of different little silicone nubs. Some of them have little patterns on them, and other ones look like little spoons. So you can decide which ones you like the most, and you do get a bit of a variety there. It also comes with this full hard plastic container that's like a little kit of different things you get with it. And this is a full tool set for cleaning your ears. I'm a little scared and excited by these, as I'm sure they'll work beautifully, but it's a lot to stick in an eardrum. You get a variety of little scoop spoons in both metal and more of a bendy plastic. Then you get 2 that have interesting little nubby tops. One is hard metal and the other one actually is like a bendy spiral piece. This one is way cool. And then finally you get this cleaning brush, which will be great to help get wax off anything before you put things back in your ears. But let's set up this camera as this needs an app. Now the app is available on the Google and Apple app stores. And once you download it, the first thing it's gonna have you do is actually connect to this via Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna connect to that real quick before I start showing you my screen. And so now it's just connecting straight to it. Oh, and it works immediately. Let me show you. Now on the bottom, you can tell it if you're looking in your left ear or your right ear simply by tapping that. You can take photos, you can do video, and you can look at your photo album. So I'm gonna check out my right ear with this. This is crazy. That is so wild to be able to just look in my ear and see in my ear canal. It's not too dirty. Whoa. But I did already get a little bit of gunk. It looks gross and a lot bigger on the camera than it does on the device. Let me clean that off. Now I'm adding on a different scooper as I see a bunch of gunk in there, but I'm not sure if I can get to it. So now we're gonna try again. Oh my gosh. That might be the grossest thing ever. That is so cool. It definitely gets a lot of gunk off. Now I'm gonna see if I can take a quick photo, because I want to see how well the irrigation tool does after this. Now I'm gonna do my left ear real quick, and then I will irrigate and we'll see the difference. Now that I've done a quick cleaning and taken pictures of both sides, I'm gonna do the irrigation. There's not too much in my ears, so this probably won't show too much, but I wanna show you how this works, as this thing is impressive. Now I'll start with my right ear, and like I said, I usually spill a little bit when I do this, and all I'm gonna do is turn it on by hitting the button. And now it's on, and it shows what it's on. It's on pulse right now, and I can just tap this to go through soft, normal, strong, or keep on pulse. I'm gonna go with normal, and then I just make sure to insert it in my ear before I hit the spray button. This often makes me jump, but once it's in, it actually feels really quite nice. So I'll put this in, make sure it's fully sealed to the bottom of my ear. I'm gonna take out my earring for that, and give a quick spray. And that's really it. It just does a quick spray, and I'm just giving it a second to make sure it all drains before I take it off. I didn't spill. That's great. Now I'll check how that looks, but let me do my left ear first. Woo, and that's it. Definitely feels like it cleans everything out. It makes my ears just feel a little bit like I just swam in a pool, but not bad overall. Let's see what kind of difference it actually made. I'm gonna take off that dirty nub and put on a clean one just so there isn't a distraction. So now let's see what my right ear looks like with a picture. Oh wow, that looks so much cleaner. And let's check the left ear. And then here is my left ear. There is still a little more gunk in it, so I could clean it more, but now I have all the tools at my disposal to fully clean it. This is the coolest thing I have ever used for ear cleaning. I am incredibly impressed already with this ear irrigation tool. It has definitely helped me a lot. I'm in my mid-40s. I get itchy ears, which I think is a perimenopausal symptom. So this has helped a lot for me with that and keeping my ears cleaner in general. But this steps it up so much more, as not only does this let me do precision cleaning on my eardrums without any concern that I'm going in too deep or doing something I shouldn't, but it also lets me see how well this is actually working. Overall, this is an amazing kit, and if you are having any issues with earwax and want to take control of that, this is the kit that I would recommend. I am very impressed.